lesson today is the order of operations. That means how to perform the mathematical operations if you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or some number raised to a certain power. To perform these operations, you must know the steps of performance of this operation. The first step is brackets with powers. Brackets with powers. Number 2, brackets without powers. Number 3, multiplication and division operation from left to right. Number 4, addition and subtraction from left to right. Let us now how to apply these steps on an example. Example 1, find the value of the following. First example is 3 plus 12 divided 6. In this example, we have two operations, addition and division. As the following is the steps previous, we calculate the division operation at the first, which means we calculate 12 divided 6, which equals 2. Then we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Example number 2. In this example, we have three operations, multiplication, minus, and division. You must perform from left to right multiplication operation at the first. 2 by 6 equals 12 minus 4 divided 2. In this step, we perform the division operation. That means we have 12 minus 2, which equals at the last 10. The result is 10. Example number 3, 4 by 2 to the power 3 minus 20. Here in this example we have a power. As the previous steps, we perform the powers at the first. Then we have 4 by 2 power 3, which equals 8 minus 20. Then we perform multiplication operation. 4 by 8 equals 32 minus 20, which equals 12. Example number 4. 144 minus 8 divided 2 to the power 3, which equals 144 minus 8 divided 2 power 3 equals 8. In this step, we perform the division operation at the first. 144 minus 8 divided 8 equals 1, which equals 144 minus 1 equals 143. Example number 2. Find the value of the following. Number 1, 196 divided, open bracket, 7 minus 5, close the bracket, all power 2. Here we start with to calculate the number between brackets, which equals 7 minus 5 equals 2 to the power 2, which equals 196 divided 2 to the power 2 equals 4, which equals 196 divided 4 equals 49. Example number 2, 20 divided 5 plus 8 minus 4 minus 1. We start from left to the right, but here we have a brackets. Then we must calculate the numbers between brackets, which equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. Then we have 20 divided 5 plus 8 minus 3. Here we perform 20 divided 5, which equals 4. 4 plus 8 minus 3 equals 9. We have example 3, which contains 7 minus 4 by 2 divided 5 minus 3 equals. Here between brackets 7 minus 4 equals 3 divided 5 minus 3 between brackets equals 3 by 2 divided 2. Notice that we perform these operations from left to right. Yes. Then we have 3 by 2, which equals 6. 6 divided 2 equals 3. Example number 4, 7 by, open bracket 6 power 2 divided 2 by 3. Here we start with calculate the powers. 7 by 6 power 2 equals 36 divided 2 by 3, which equals 7 by 36 divided 2 equals 18. 18 by 3, which equals 54. Then we have 7 by 54, which equals 378. Example number 3. Find the value of the following. Number 1, 2 by 5 power 2 minus 1 minus 4 power 2 minus 1, all this between brackets. Here we can start to calculate the powers number. 5 power 2 equals 25 minus 1, and 4 power 2 equals 16 minus 1. 2 by 25 minus 1 equals 24, minus 16 minus 1 equals 15. Then we have 2 by 24 minus 15 equals 9, which equals 2 by 9 equals 18. Example number 2, 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 20 divided 6 minus 2 power 2 between brackets. In this case, we have the power of 2 power 2, which equals 4. Then we have 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 20 divided 6 minus 4, which equals 2. Then we have 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 20 divided 2. Here 20 divided 2 equals 10. Then we have 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 10 equals 17. But we know 6 divided 3 equals 2. Then we have the total result, or the final result. 2 plus 17 equals 19. Example number 3. This example has a fractional form. Then we want to calculate the numerator and the denominator of order of operations. We have 5 power 2. We know that 5 power 2 means 5 times 5 equals 25 minus 5 by 2 in the numerator. But in the denominator we have 15 minus 3 divided 6. The numerator equals 25 minus 5 by 2, which equals 10. And the denominator we have 15 plus 3 divided 6 equals 18 divided 6 equals 3. Then we have the total result equals in numerator 15 and in denominator equal 3, which equals 15 divided 3 equals 5. Now I have for you an evaluation to test your understand. Try to calculate 16 plus 4 divided 2 minus 3 by 10 to the power negative 2. This is exercise for you to test your understand. It is very easy to solve. Now we translate into example 4. Example 4 finds the value of the following. This value, number 1 in example 4, 6 divided 3, open bracket 7 plus 20 divided 6 minus 2, all power 2. That means we have a powered number. We start to calculate the power number. 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 20 divided 6 minus 2 equals 4 power 2, which equals 16. Then we have 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 20 divided 16, which equals 6 divided 3 the total number of the numbers between brackets 7 plus 20 divided 16 equals 7 plus 5 over 4. It is a fractional number, which means we have 6 divided 3 plus 7 plus 5 over 4 equals 8.25, which equals 6 divided 3 equals 2 plus 8.25, then it gives us 10.25. Now we have another example. This example is complicated sum. What does that mean? Calculate the value if x equals 18 minus 4 by 2 divided 2 plus 1, and y equals 8 plus 9 by 3 minus 4 power 2 plus 11. Find the numerical value of x over y all the power negative 3. Here you must calculate the value of x alone, which start with 18 minus 4 by 2 divided 2 by using the steps of the order of operations, which we state that. Then we start by 4 by 2 equals 8, 18 minus 8 divided 2, which equals 18 minus 8 divided 2 equals 4 plus 1. The total result equals 15. Now we have the value of x is 15. Now we want to calculate by the same way the value of y, which equals 8 plus 9 by 3 minus 16 plus 11. Now we want to calculate the value of 9 by 3, which equals 27 minus 16 plus 11. We start from left to right and add and subtract. 8 plus 27 equals 35 minus 16 plus 11, which equals at the end equal 30. Now we have the value of x is 15 and the value of y equals 30. Come with me to calculate the value of x over y all to the power negative 3, which equals 15 over 30 all to the power negative 3, which equals 1 over 2 equals 8. Now I have for you some exercises to test yourself. Now try to find the value of these operations. Depend on yourself, and I hope you can answer these questions easy, and I hope for you good luck and a nice time. Goodbye and good luck.